look up. If x plus 1 over x equals to 3, find x squared plus 1 over x squared. How can you do that? The answer is very simple in 2 seconds. Let's go. Just square both sides and simplify. You're done. So you now have x plus 1 over x squared is equals to what? 3 squared. And the next thing you should do now is x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared is equals to what? 9. So you simplify. So you now have x squared plus 1 over x squared is equals to 9 minus 2 is what? 7. So therefore, x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to what? 7. Answer. If you find this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Let's check these algebraic trees on this question. You can see this is x squared minus 5x plus 6. All you need to do is very simple. That is the sum and the product term. Now if you look at the middle term here, this is the middle term. The middle term here is what? Minus 5x. So two numbers being summated will give you what? Plus 6. And which is what? 2 and 3. That's the final answer here. By me looking at this expression now, the answer is just 2 and 3. How? So now look, this is minus 2x minus 3x will give you what? Minus 5x. The middle term. Then when being multiplied, you have what? 6. That is minus 2 times minus 3 will give you what? Plus 6. Then when you expand, you have x minus 2 into bracket x minus 3 is equals to 0. So therefore, x is equals to 2 or x is equals to 3. Answer.